Now I start car, you can see. Perfect. Okay. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan and this car have a problem. When I start car, race not working. So race not perfect working, that's the problem. When I accelerator pedal press, race is not working. So when I scan with my diagnosis tool, I got fault, current fault P0223 and P0123, throttle pedal position sensor and TP sensor circuit bang 1. Okay, so today I will show you how you can solve this problem and race then working. Okay, so here is the throttle body. Okay, this is the engine and throttle body. First remove this wire and check there is voltage have or not. Those two white wire for 5 volt. 5 volt came this two wire. Okay, first check this one. Multimeter white wire, sorry black wire, fix in ground. Okay, and positive wire check here. First wire there is no voltage and second wire also there is no voltage. That's the problem. That means any wire fuse damage. Okay, you can see body control is here, so remove this one and check here. Check all fuses. Everything is fine. You can see here this fuse damaged. See, so we fix a new fuse, good one. And now we see in this wire, throttle body wire, there is a voltage now came or not. See here, first wire 5 volt, second wire also same 5 volt. Now perfect. See, now I start car, you can see.